Welcome to Shitty Sad Day and sorting out tools. So I pulled all the tools out of one drawer of the red toolbox, and I end up with more than 60 sets of pliers and cutters and vice grips. Filled one drawer. Right. Hose cutter, vice grips, pointy nose, bull nose, wire strippers, side cutters, some circlip pliers, tin snips, and some multi grips. And we've got that. We're doing similar here. So what I'll do is I will update. So I'll go some new C-clip and just little by little as money provides, we'll update stuff. These secateurs I actually use as rubber hose cutters. But yeah, got lots of different stuff. I've got a lot of different brand tools. So Joe's toolbox, we've already got something started. It's got some T-handles, some Allen keys. This is just a small box that we're putting together for Joe. Alright, phone's moved. Right, she has radiator hose remover, one of the most important tools you'll find in a mechanic's toolbox. This beats breaking your hands every time. Impact sockets, ratchets. So trying to put everything together. So you've got, so empty drawer, good. Extra stuff. So everything has to have files. Yeah, there's more. That there. Super Cheap Auto hose cutter. Best $18 tool I've ever bought from Super Cheap. Yeah, to give you an idea, this is what we're doing. We're trying to organise. So 4 toolboxes will have everything. All of the pliers. Multi-grips, a whole lot were in this drawer here. Yeah. So yeah, next step. We're doing screwdrivers at the moment, and then I'll start doing sockets. But, rightio, here's where it gets interesting. We have tools to go through in here. A lot of this is machining stuff. But we have files and lots of SIG chrome sockets. So what I'm doing today is I'm going through all this stuff. I'll grab all the sockets. There's a 3/4 kit in here. I need a 3/4 socket set in this shed. Yeah, it's getting somewhere. Oh yeah, we have some power run for the new office. That was done the other day. We've got to get some UFOs in here, some nice lights on the top. So the landlord's organised his electrician to supply them. The bin's gone. So once I've done the toolboxes, we have one more week of old Dennis's customer cars in. And then might do a garage sale next weekend if people want to come down and buy a bunch of like bolts and weird shit. Some free cabinets. Yeah. But yeah, so today's job is organising as much of these tools as we can. Right? Pilot, bush, removal tools. Like just, yeah. So, hold on. So yes, hence why we have so many tools that we already had. So this was just one screwdriver drawer. And now we've got even more. So yeah, hopefully by the end of next week, we should have all the bottom drawers filled with all the specialty stuff that I have. Like I have brake flaring tool, timing light, compression tester, vacuum gauges to sync carburetors, and I've got timing tools, and I've got O2 sensor and knock ears and all sorts, plus there's more of these cases next door at Dennis's that we've purchased as well. So yeah, getting there, guys. Might do a big garage sale next weekend. We'll see how we go. And if we do, it'll just be lots of cheap stuff. Thanks. Hope you have a lovely weekend, and I'll do some shorts once I get some socket drawers sorted.